There's Lexi. Let's go look at what Lexi's looking at. Lexi, what are you looking?
A bird.
A birdie?
A dead bird.
What? A dead birdie?
And I can't.
Where's the dead birdie? Oh my. Nah.
Mom.
I think it's still alive, eh? Let's kill it. Yeah, it's still alive. That's how I move. Yeah, it's alive still.
Huh?
Yeah, it's still alive.
What, the wind's blowing its wings?
Maybe.
Birdie.
God damn, this is a down-ass camera. Hey, that's a good thing about wintering, that it doesn't even smell. Let's go. Let's take a hike. Come on, let's go. Bye, birdie. Say bye, birdie, Lexi.
Bye,